Hey, so I wanted to show you a savvy little trick that you can use to quickly curate all the photos that you need for an entire month's worth of Instagram posts. So I am inside the Wellness Stock Shop photo store. And if you have an annual unlimited membership, then you have access to all these photos. I'm going to take you inside the Sophily social gallery because this is where all the Instagram photos and graphics live. So it's going to be super easy to just download these and have them already square cropped and ready to post. So before I show you the savvy trick, I do want to let you know that I have already curated monthly sets for you. So you'll see in this gallery right here that says monthly sets. If you open it, there are lightly themed sets of photos for you with 30 photos per set. So you have enough photos for an entire month already curated for you. So let's look inside this skincare set. If you wanted to have a skincare theme one month, this is already set for you. It's already ready to go. You can download all of these. They look beautiful together. You just lay them out however you want. You can even take some out, weave in some photos that you want to add. You can add quotes, anything you want. So that is one way that's super easy for you. So that takes out all the brain power. You don't have to think about it, but there's another way if you want to curate something based on your own theme. So I'm going to go into crystals and spiritual, and I'm just going to say I want to have kind of a crystals and spiritual theme for the month of May. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little light bulb, and there will be a prompt to add a new light box. So I'm going to say May spiritual grid, and of course you can give it a description. And now you'll see this light bulb has turned yellow because it's in a light box. So light boxes are kind of like a Pinterest board. It's where you can curate all of the photos that you want for any particular project that you're working on so that you can keep track of them. It's so awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of add some photos that look really good to me. And you can do this really quickly if you want to. There's so many photos to choose from, and really Wellness Stock Shop photos just naturally look so good together. So this is actually super duper easy to do. So I'm just going through and just scroll down and see what there is available to you because there really is a lot. I mean, you'll see this is just one page. This is page 1 of 3. So what if we click on next? You're going to see all of these photos. I'm just going to add some more here. Let's see. Let's do this one. And maybe... So you'll see, I mean, you can just run through here so fast. Let's go ahead and go to the next page. There's beautiful stuff. So let's say I want to add more than just crystals. So I actually want to add some essential oils maybe. So I can actually scroll through here and see if there's anything that I want to add. So I added some of those, and now let's just say that I want to add some quotes. So I'm going to go to the words gallery. I actually want to add some of these graphics from the Mind Body collection because they're so beautiful. So let's just go through these. I'm going to add a few of these ones. And if I scroll down, there's actually some affirmations. And now I'm going to go back up to the words gallery. I'm going to just choose some regular affirmations with plain backgrounds. And at any point you want to actually check out what you have collected already, go up to your name and there's light boxes right here in the drop down menu. Here you see May Spiritual Grid. I can view my grid and see what I've got going on. So I've got 20 photos picked out and I still want to choose another 10, but you see how this is actually coming together really well? This is how you can just design the most beautiful feed really easily. It already looks so gorgeous. So I'll go back to the photo store again, and I'm going to go back into Soulfully Social. And I actually think that I want to go back to words because I want to grab some of these beautiful designer postable type quotes and add some of these in here. I think they add a lot. There's so much character. And then I also want to go to the essential oils ones because I want to add some diffuser blends. Perfect. So I'm gonna go back up to my light box. I've got 27 in there. You can add more if you want, obviously, but this is just meant to show you really quickly how you can do this. So look at that. I've pretty much got all my photos curated for an entire month within about 5 minutes. Isn't that crazy? So obviously, when you are just gonna go ahead and download all of these, and then I will go ahead and show you what these can look like in a sample grid, because you're going to want to actually design the grid layout on your own, and because you probably won't want them in the same order, but it's so simple. Okay, so I am in Canva right now. I just loaded in a bunch of the photos that we chose in our Lightbox, just so we can add them to this sample grid, just to show you how easy this is to design a beautiful grid. So I'm going to do kind of a checkerboard style of a layout. So basically I am just doing kind of a light image and then a darker image, a light image and then a darker image. Not being super strict with it, but just kind of like playing around with that. So you can see how this is all coming together and just how easy this is. That there maybe. Let's see, which ones didn't we use? This one. Maybe I'll do, actually. So check that out. Isn't that so beautiful and so easy? So, I mean, this took under 10 minutes. So this could easily have been just you going into your scheduling platform and just dragging, dropping if you use Planoly or something like that. So to see how the images look beautiful together. But Wellness Talk Shop photos fit easily together. I mean, they just look so beautiful, yet you can get creative and design such a unique look for you. I've never seen two feeds that look the same. So there is a simple tip that makes it really easy for you to just simply, quickly curate a beautiful Instagram feed for the entire month. I'm so excited for you to just dive in and test this out.